Good morning, YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being family. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You see me looking down, I'm looking at myself in the mirror to make sure I ain't got nothing in my nose or anywhere else. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe, hit that button, hit that notification button so that you'll be aware when I'm uploading new videos. And let's get into this video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. I'm in the color 406. I have already did my eyebrows, as you can see. I have already primed my face with the Smashbox primer and the Smashbox water primer. Can't speak this morning. So let's get started. I'm old school, so I tell you I like to just drop it on where I needed to drop. I'm also going to be using a foundation Smashbox foundation brush. I don't know the number of this brush, but let's get it and let's see what it does. Okay, so I've wore this foundation before. It's a great foundation, very good coverage, skin-like, if you can see, it's like skin-like. Very good foundation. Okay, so now that we have the foundation on, I think it's looking pretty good. I think it's looking really good, and the color is really great. It's a match to my skin. I'm gonna be setting my face with the Fenty Beauty powder, setting powder. I'm in the color Hazelnut. I'm gonna be setting my foundation with that. I'm gonna apply that all over my face. Don't worry about it if you think it's too much. It's not. I'm gonna set that quickly. I don't really like putting too much products under my eyes because my eyes are dry, and I really don't like putting too much product on my forehead because my forehead is shiny. Okay, now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Again, I'm in the color Butterscotch. And I'm gonna just put this under my eye to highlight. Okay, now that I have got my concealer on my face, I'm gonna just do the edges so we don't look rough around the edges. Let's get this in. I don't want to look rough around the edges. Let's get it together. Blend it out some so we don't have the edges here, the lines. Now I'm going to be using my setting powder. I'm going to be using, what's this called? Beauty Bakery flour in the color yellow. Okay, so we're gonna use that, and I'm gonna pop, 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 pop underneath my eyes. Give me some highlight. Okay, now that we got the powder on, let's just dust this off a little bit. Let's dust the powder off. I'm gonna dust the powder off using Sephora. We're gonna use this, and I'm gonna dust the powder off using this. Don't worry about me looking white and thing. That's gonna be taken care in a minute. I'm looking ashy. Don't you worry. I have to use this much powder because I am in New York and gotta use a lot of powder. It's hot. Okay, so we got that taken care. Now that we got that taken care, I'm gonna be contouring my face with the black opal stick. I got the color Ebony. So just bear with me. I'm going to put that, I'm going to pop that in here. I'm going to pop that here. I'm going to pop that here around my face. I'm going to pop that in there just a little bit. And I'm going to pop that in here just a little bit. I'm putting a little pot on my face. So this is the Sephora powder. Okay, now I'm going to apply some e.l.f. the palette blush on my face. So let's get that. Just gonna put a little bit. Warm me up a little bit. Just warm me up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna put some, do my eyes a little bit, put just a little bit eyeshadow on my eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit eyeliner. I'm gonna put a little bit mascara. I'm gonna fix my wig, get it looking right, pop it better than what is popping. And then I'll be right back with the end result. Stay with me, thank you. Okay, so as you can see, let's wrap up the video. I completed my face. On the inside, I used Natasha Sunrise palette. On the outside, I used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I put a little bit of Fenty gloss on. I have my Good Luck scarf on to help me keep my nerves down. Okay, so like I said, I started this channel. And I started this channel to do something different. And yes, I'm nervous. Yes, it's different. Yes, it's going to be a challenge. But I'm looking forward to that because that's what life is all about. Life is all about taking challenges, trying out different things. You're not going to succeed in everything, but at least the things that you want to do, you will succeed in. The things that you want to try, if it's a failure, try it again. Just try it again. Continue to try and continue to be consistent with it, because anything that you're consistently doing, you will get better at. And it's like with me with these videos. I'm starting out my new channel. It's very new, and I'm going to look back at these videos and I'm going to laugh with you all, and we're going to laugh together. But I'm going to be like, yes, well, that was from the beginning, and now I am doing better. I'm doing better with the videos. I'm looking a lot better. I'm feeling better. You know, when it comes to my with these videos, you know, you kind of your self-esteem, because you it's different. You're coming out to the world and you're doing these videos, so it's different. I'm not a person that I could, you know, don't care if you like me, you don't like me, you like the way I look or you don't like the way I look. That's not what life is about. Life is about what you like and the things you want to do. And so I'm trying this challenge, and it's not a challenge. It's something that I want to do. It's something that I was looking forward to do. It's something that I'm happy that I'm excited that I uploaded and uploading videos, and I'm excited that I'm starting my YouTube channel. It's going to be a challenge, and everything is going to not go well all the time, but I'm looking forward to it, and it's different for me. It's very different. I work a 9 to 5, and I always say that I'm the best at whatever I do. But this is different, and this is definitely, people that know me, they would tell you this is not my norm, and this is definitely out of the norm for me. But I'm definitely gonna get this down pat. I'm gonna get my talking down pat, my speech, because it's different talking to a camera and talking, you know, inside of a camera. All that is different, but it's exciting and it's fun. But what I really want to say is that, you know, in life, take a hold of life. Don't exist. You know, live your life. I tell my children that all the time, and unfortunately, I didn't practice what I preach to them. I tell them all the time, and I still tell them today. Live your best life. Live. Don't exist. Enjoy life. Enjoy. You only get one life. You only get one opportunity, one shot at life. And whatever it is, make it your best. Do what you want to do. Live your best life. Enjoy it. Have fun. Go out there and try new things. Do something that that you wouldn't normally do. It's kind of like creating a bucket list where you can check off what you got off the bucket list, like, which is great to do, or creating that board, that vision board, the things in life that you want to do. And this is part of one of the things that I want to do in life. I hope that you stay with me. I hope you enjoy. We're going to have a lot of videos. We're going to have a lot of great conversations. We're going to have a lot of advice. We're going to have a lot of great tutorials. Everything. We're going to have fun on this channel. So just stay with me. Bear with me as I grow and I'm learning. Just stick with me. I'm growing and learning. Stick by me. Thank you. Subscribe. If you're not a member of my family already, join. Hit that subscription button. Hit the notification button so that you'll know that I'm uploading videos. And stay with me. I'm going to get better. Love you guys. Have a great one. Thank you.